Thank God it's Friday and Fabi and summer world of entertainment. Near me chegu dia fata unino sumu. Aha and I would TV and some day chegu. Uko social street no so slippery. Social and so crama and sims man and Friday I saw by Fabi and some meaning is Sandra or Heme Ametiwa. As you may Adom Entertainment, I'm a Ghana for Chimo.
Sister Sandy be a
or baby now a guy as I cry a month for him. Say, hey, you, what be Ghana? They're not sure now. You pump for some day, mammy. Where's down? Huh? Guide me a guy. Kalama me. Ghana's entertainment prophet. 2 times a guy. Guys, me no. Order for Frank, boom, mammy. Me a guy. Yeah, me a guy. Say, but the other name, me a guy. So I did so. Young concept no so enradi me sure say by now what ade a SM fans no it me yoy amukopie mo yoku office nanim ho but where everything aside Sankati's via was such fan base Kagana music you know kalata for they can't us. This is crazy. The love they have for Shatta Wale no is amazing. And this is what we're talking about, brah. Because on my trail, like I say, hey, now what me do be to some level now. And wuku working day, for 4 years, when they for 4 years, and you know the funny thing is people are saying is guys stage now homo ngejuma. It will surprise you say, we'll be out to the shop mu. Me who be more shop for circle, I say. Moton phones. It's a man boo be able to because Nipan and how because and on edgema and a fans no money share son a yo will be ye. Bomu putting aside because of the love they have for Shatta Wale. In fact, Frank Boma fans, Papa, not just no. You don't just listen to his music. Utim said, no, I see a chimaguma. Come back here in Yemonchi. Young Corrad and Brana squad room. Remember. No, Frank Bombium. On say, eh, say, now one would say, we money edging. Where Bobo yes, see what. And where who cadanco for a packet, where Kia, a ye, I was so cayenne for a packet. Where, oh no, Nipa control street, or control street. Shatta Wale to the Warriors, and the most one which now or Muchasi be yaman who know no so far back door. Oh, and our first niche, I say. I'm so who the king and son of my making, so I understand me flex and more crazy enough. That's how me flex also Cambodian card so cry my high. My fetch the hawk. 85 no sa omujina ho keka mnyina ade no make na abusua yayi unua afechi ho HJ and a big boss SM company omo manager Sammy Flex Sameba etimi ebe confirm na say ha no fans na say street jam no na say yes ya na sa it's a big shout going out to GH Kweku and now some crofo who and now okatachie mu na mo say mo kwase na ye fan crofo de mo so mo nam ho bia Adom logo gugu so mo fa no mrawate but still big shout to GH Kweku remember why
Once again, another good news is that the bail conditions was reduced from 10 million to 5 million Ghana cedis with 2 sureties, and that is what we are all happy about. So, to the media guys who came to cover this event, to the fans especially, and to the management people, as well as some friends and supporters of the Shatta movement, we want to say we are grateful. God bless you so much, and thank you for your continuous support. Shatta Wale is ever grateful to you guys for whatever you've done for him. I'm sure from time to time you guys will be hearing from him very soon. So to everybody around the world watching, Shatta Wale has been giving
Asamu American, me man for na no go didi. Big shout and come big boss up and down. No team say Sammy Flex cry we need. Oh, bomma manager. When your manager say ah, so when you nyina to your manager also so she a wo no so ku. And agie ni puso. Bomma Sammy Flex na. It's my idea. Enti yi mi bubu no. Eba ye we preach na oyi no wo fa chire ho pie no ko pie life so na abusua say no kai
everybody that has been supportive with this, and to you the fans, I owe you a beautiful concert one of these days, because you guys have been supportive. I heard some of you came there from morning and you didn't want to leave, but as you've seen my video, you should know that Shatta is safe. Your king is safe. Wandon is safe, and I'm home now. And I just want to say a big thank you for supporting, and for being around me in times like this, because I needed you guys, the most, because you guys are the ones that hold me down. Once again, I want to say, a big thank you to everybody that has been in support of this. Shouts to Neo Original Wandon, who has been a father to me too, and he's been very supportive too as well. To all the staff of Yoko, you guys have been wonderful. At least I came there. You guys really took me through that rightful processes that was needed, and I just want to say God bless you, and to Mr. Ramonacha, I just want to tell you, I thank you so much for your understanding. I thank you so much for cooperating.
And so on behalf of Ghanaians, we on behalf of SM, Yadamunga Masi Bebre, Yadamasi. Pa, say kutu say bam, Yadamasi P. Oh, now, Ubo, I Abusia. At this juncture, to us what? One say, Abaya been so casting me. Now I am to me dream who didn't be some who say, Sister Sandy, me dream who I am mumping. As I dear Chibia, my sister no, will be betting me, wouldn't know me, my baby, me can be we are. No more quani. Say, order 4 hours, do who am I ready? Lebanon. It's not sorry for my Mary. To me, call life tones, no preaching. Oh, hallelujah, hallelujah. Boma ba ye, yame de no ye. High glory be to God. Sister Andrew, one Mary, dear, with me call life, what tones? With me cry bomb pie man mount for. Na standing in a more how a hano. How natia? Oh, worry ye. Send none for her no. Wait. Tienebra.
How challenging has it been for you as a married woman?
Challenging, I should say that when you get married, everybody thinks like, oh, she's married, so that's it. Like, they don't want to look for you. Y'all should look for me. Look for me, guys. I'm still Victoria Lebanon. I'm still impactful. I'm still doing social enterprising. I'm still doing social impacts, touching lives, contributing to economic growth. I'm still an entrepreneur. I'm a business owner. feel free. Marriage is not like the person has entangled me all through. So if you talk about challenges, I don't think they are challenges. It's just a little face or change of face that makes it look like a challenge, but it's not really a challenge.
There's none. Is that what you're saying?
Challenges, I don't think I really dwell on challenges per se, so to speak. I don't really dwell on challenges because
Abusianti adwuma na si why the all kan nyina na waka no we nhwemu nim osomo hwehwe no ti adofo ne namfo te ne nka cha hwehwe no ene mo nsempa pen number o social friend check it why ento aso. This is very sad on a sad note. Once Davido me mo hwinkwa latafo ni me Davido ne wife Chioma so mo lose o mo ba be mu bia akwa ne drowning wo mu fie pool mu ni ade ache I think it's been years and omomeka 2022 ache 3 years ago and omonka hwe asem ni see no none of them not even from their camp ebe confirm me baby it was all social brouhaha ni ade ni enim say it's difficult for her as a mom. Finally she's been able to break the news and this is how our year no. Also, you're on my mind every day and you live in my heart, always and forever. Chioma Adeleke was she post for the first time since the passing of the son, Ifeanyi 2022. And the death of a child, dear, you can never forget, trust me. Easy. You can never forget. And so on that note, yes, send a heartfelt condolences to Auntie Harriet and so. Yes, send a heartfelt condolences to you, my stepmother, Auntie Harry. Nyame nsha wodin, cause enye easy. Why will you see babyano? Enye easy, nyame nsha wodin. What? It is well. Me feel once walk another sad note, another chioma. So you'll be another relative. You say quite a review, no credit. But the relative in the party. But the also Adom TV so. The graft. Me de behra lattes ni pa de me de behra mesiesie du. Me na da. Me hwe bi ache. Those times near her mo uche jumbo mo ne Chioma Chukwuka. Wonri na abemu ya me beken. Near friend Chioma Chukwuka. At a point was a sign di and Chioma Akopta. Sa bibisa Akopta was omudin no. Suddenly no was as a sign di. It's been years her sister ne divorce. And she didn't say a word. In fact, big shouts going out to her friends. If you have good friends around you, one Kate Sean which a jumbo mudiago muko girl strip. Once Obia make up mamma, oh, one should anyone obey ya. Obi would wadam food diago na some of once my obey for one I catch a bloggers may say wadam from. Once a waja warrior, then for bia ma out. You need friends like that in your life. It's also by now, well, could also when you be with us a fire, wouldn't you? Cheered your Troy. I could hear this one in the radar. Was I didn't leave my husband because I stopped loving him. I left because I was starting to forget how to love myself, and that's deep. People assume divorce means failure. No. Sometimes it's survival. For years, I kept quiet. Smiling for the camera, wearing my ring like everything was okay. But behind the scenes, I was disappearing emotionally, mentally. I gave the best of me to a man who eventually stopped seeing me. Conversations turned to silence, respect turned to tension. And the home I tried so hard to build started to feel like a place I didn't belong. Walking away wasn't easy. I wasn't dramatic. Underline the word dramatic or him. It was silent, deliberate, and I didn't need to announce it. I just started choosing myself again. I stopped posting Chioma Akopta, and I went back to being Chioma Chukwuka. Not because I hate my past, but because I'm reclaiming my name, my peace, and my power. I didn't lose a marriage. I found myself. Bomano. Now we'll sign, we'll pick it words, you know. Wadama, where they were hanging dramatic. Why, sign, I see a mammy, sign for our signature, boss on a sign. I know so many girls going through such phases, and their thoughts are, Edian and Nipabeka, But on say maami bi ekueme or the dey na nipa beka saa na maami ni di we enra mu say counselor bi nso ani abre e we see do akomia show so Joy Prime e ka say wote aware mu a no matter what you are facing tinem mo na mo man krofo wu no. We have physical abuse, we have emotional abuse. Dear ya emotional abuse no ya say physical dey ya bo no. Odofo, if you are going through something and no pay, marriage is beautiful. Efe is an institution by God. Don't get it twisted. Our refu, go for 20 years, 30 years. Trust me, it's not an easy road. Efe. But if you are in it, and you are not happy, and you just want to be called Mrs., and you just want to please people, please think twice. What? Please think twice. Sabita fraction, kofo pidin simhunu. Na ehwehwe because society amama na yese oba na menua ubewu wani nje afrim na meka say I'm angel of death, angel of divorce. Debbie, marriage is good, but if you are not happy, leave. They are exercise mo hardwin obe hawo obe ye niam bia, but the most important is that you are happy. I'm preaching hallelujah bonsema Yesu Jesus. Mo drama night, and for the first time I want to witness how we stage drama. And the funny thing is, almost I'm in musical and dance. I'm so interested in this and the Winiba University of Education. Mon share team nenim. Yeba life, ye mu ye bian. We are here for the talent and entertainment. Ye be chair Eddie Agu, Eddie Amamo. It's cham divorce. Na memra music. Why? Also our boy nyumbi. Afi na guy na release video amaye. Beautiful video. Me mo kakra bi na ko YouTube ko stream ma no nya kakra. What you say? Enti her Blacko the new music video no. Afi na victory, that's my story. What say? Guy na strategy good. Utie nyum na emu de tu na ya oda was all the video no. Abewo no. Business strategy. Great guy, but I always conduct. It's you betcha so kotie mano ko streaming na Ghanaian artists or munye sika from mo craft. Into streaming and you know FMA me victory. The video is finally out. Na memfa insi. Answer na me kono ma mema Madam Rose Labi a happy birthday. Mommy, on kwaso 83 good years on earth. Mama ya keka ko 40 cry ya brewi ase. Inti 83 de na se nyame ne wadi ba oh moya de o mafam ye guso famu ba ti nyame nsura Madam Rose Labi de na se ofi mikro makua pem late nyame nsura o man kwatenten ahodin wom. You are very beautiful. We wish you all the very best. Meeting at a sister Sandy be a guy Esther Ann a color chair or makeup department and they only lazy and lazy san wadwuma na won hu lazy na etwi manim e de ema me na Festus or let us say and Master Thomas o me anu nyina cry ekuapefo o mo de gina camera na chi a o mo twa me gu Frank de me say o free voter one and I am a sound engineer MC our post production oko cold room ha Mr. Mark Weber a supervisor wo hwese bibia be ko totin e de amaye e bo Mark Weber guy na good too pen ho asam guy na baby asem ho no wahuri hey Santi Achima Ogodeshia Jaffer Ponana and Mark Weber. On one day was supervise Richmond 2 times a guy owner. When we and I am a director, and then you quote Winnie, yeah, Cossia, OPD, me producer, OPD, no. Macacham Sana watching who ya for Conrad by Anabo. Oh, Mohan was so she and so OPD, on the lady behind all the story. In fact, you best you mean in OPD. One of them something in Ebreme. I'm the guy, Queen PR on the Ben we set designers. Wish I move Kuma, Yonsa say. TM 2 times a guy, now the pompous I can all I know. Guys, me, you know, my crowd. Bye.
Where do you go? Oh, you guy? Sister Sandy be a guy.